Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video, we will see how can we use connected apps feature of Google Gemini. So let's dive in to the demonstration. To use connected apps in Google Gemini, use the symbol. Now you will see that some of these applications are in enabled and some are listed under disabled. To use an application which is listed in disabled, you need to first enable it. So when you try to use a query with these applications, it will first ask for the permission to use it. Then if you allow, Gemini will proceed to use that application. I would like to use the YouTube application from here and then send my query here. Let's send this message. Now, when I send this message, you can see that Gemini is talking to YouTube and then it will list a set of results. Now, you can also enable or disable the applications from the settings. I am talking about these applications. To do that, go to the settings and you can get the connected apps here. You can turn on or off the applications you wish to enable or disable from this list. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.